A poem that express lament for the dead. A poem that express lament for the dead. Elegy. Elegy मतलब शोकगीत, जब कोई मर जाता है तब ये गीत गाते हैं. A small mischievous fairy. A small mischievous fairy. Elf शरारती परी. The art of effective speaking, public oratory skills. The art of effective speaking, public oratory skills. Elocution. वाक कला. To run away secretly with a romantic partner. To run away secretly with a romantic partner. Elope भाग जाना. Fluent or persuasive in speaking or writing. Fluent or persuasive in speaking or writing. Eloquent. Make perfectly clear. Elucidate. Make perfectly clear. Elucidate. A parasite with perfect bliss. A paradise with perfect bliss. Elysium. To free from restraint. Emancipate. It means बंधन मुक्त करना. The act of setting free from bondage of any kind. The act of setting free from bondage of any kind. Emancipation. Mukti. An official order to stop doing business with another country. Embargo. व्यापार प्रतिरोध लगाना. Fix an object firmly and deeply in a surrounding mass. Fix an object firmly and deeply in a surrounding mass. A small piece of burning or glowing coal or wood in a dying fire. A small piece of burning or glowing coal or wood in a dying fire. Ember. Angar. Steal or misappropriate money. Embezzle. Govern. An act of misappropriation of money. Embezzlement. Govern करना. Be an expressive of or give a tangible or visible form to an idea, quality or feeling. Embody. One who is honorably discharged from service. Mercious. अवकाश प्राप्त. Medicine that causes vomiting. Medic. A person who leaves his country to live in another. Immigrant. अपने देश को छोड़ने वाला. One who goes for a secret official mission. Emissary. The ability to understand another person's feeling, experience. Etc. Empathy. One who employs employer. A book or set of books giving information about all areas of knowledge. Encyclopedia. Try hard to do or achieve something. Endeavor. Regularly found in a particular place or among a particular group of people and difficult to get rid of. A disease that is prevalent in a particular area and is difficult to get rid of. Endemic. किसी विशेष क्षेत्र में प्रचलित चीज या बीमारी. To sweep over something so as to surround it completely. Engulf. निगल जाना. Difficult to interpret or understand. Enigmatic. रहस्यमय. ये ब्लैक बुक ऑफ इंग्लिश वोकैबुलरी पेज 22 है. ऐसे ही हम 1 by 1 पेज करके इस बुक को कंप्लीट करेंगे. थैंक यू.